Hi, I'm Christina Abraham. I work with the purchasing and I've been with Woodgrain for 4 years. My advice would be to stay open-minded because construction and building materials look different in every part of the world, and that is why it makes this industry so interesting. One of my biggest learning has been seeing how differently building materials are used in US compared to where I grew up in Dubai. It opened my eyes to how diverse this industry really is. I've been around construction my whole life. My dad owns a construction company in Dubai, so I grew up watching projects take shape from ground up. Even though my path didn't start on a job site, early exposure stayed with me. When I moved to US 4 years ago, I found my place in procurement and distribution at Woodgrain, and it felt everything same, like a full circle. I'm proud to work in an industry that brings real project to life, from building materials to home and from homes to community. At Woodgrain, I get to be a part of that behind the scene by helping secure materials that makes everything possible. I'm also proud to represent women in procurement and supply chain. It feels meaningful to be a part of that change.